In this video, I am going to show how to install WhatsApp application on Windows. Go to the web browser and search WhatsApp and find the whatsapp.com, or you can directly type the whatsapp.com on the web browser and then select download. Find the Windows version. Here I have attached the link for downloading WhatsApp. Select get it from Microsoft. I'm just selected that. It will redirect to Microsoft Store. Press get. It will automatically download and install the WhatsApp on Windows. The installation is finished. Now you can press open. Press open button. For scanning your WhatsApp, go to mobile, open the WhatsApp and click the menu. Then select link a device. If you have any authentication, use that authentication, either finger or pattern or face lock you can use. After authentication, there will be a scanning option. Scan the QR which you could be able to see on the window. I just scanned the same QR. Now WhatsApp is loading. Don't forget to disconnect the WhatsApp. If you are leaving as it will be remain same, so the other person can access the WhatsApp. The same way you can use WhatsApp web. It is directly available on web browser itself. For that you can search web.whatsapp.com. So there will be a window, it will open with the QR code. Once after scanning the QR, WhatsApp will be available in the web browser. Always remember, don't forget to log out. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, please press the like button, share and subscribe.